What is up guys, I'm Julius and today I'll go over how to 3D motion track in Adobe After Effects CC 2020. This video will be a 3-part series where I'll show you how to motion track and some special cases for which you can use motion tracking. But without further ado, here's a quick example of 3D motion tracking. As you can see, it looks really sick. So I just have my After Effects open here and I drag my clip into the composition. As you can see, this is just a regular clip with nothing done to it. The first thing you want to do 3D motion tracking is search for an effect called 3D camera tracker and drag that effect onto your clip. Now you just gotta wait and let the effect do its magic. First it analyzes the background and then it's gonna solve the camera. And this shouldn't take too long, but you gotta have patience here. Once the 3D camera tracker is done, you should be able to see a bunch of generated spots which gets tracked to certain parts of the video. This is easiest to do if the clip you are 3D motion tracking has some sort of things After Effects can keep track of. In my case, it is the screws in the wood, the lines in the wood, the railing, etc. This will not work on something which is completely smooth or something which is moving completely random, for example leaves or something like that. So what you want to do now is hold down Shift and select 3 points, right click and select Create Text and Camera. Now the effect is done. I'm just gonna fast forward. I'm not gonna go through everything I'm doing right now when changing the text, but you can play around with the text in the transform panel to get the right perspective, the right size, etc. and make it look more realistic. I'm not super happy with the final result, but it is good enough to prove the point of this video. The next thing I'm gonna do is an optional step, but that is to add a shadow. It is something I like to do and it gives the video a little bit extra and makes it a little bit more realistic. To create a shadow, you basically just copy your text and transform it to where the shadow would be if the text was a physical object in the real world. I then apply some camera blur and turn the text black. So this is how the motion tracking turned out. There will be a new motion tracking tutorial tomorrow hopefully. But that was all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Please consider subscribing if I helped you and dropping a comment letting me know what you think. If you want to see more of me, make sure to follow me on Instagram at JuliusSorensenXD. Tomorrow there will be a new tutorial. Bye!